Hey guys, today we have this that's it was not refurbished, but the machine is back from our client. And what we're gonna do here, we just gonna get the MP tray rollers. I'm just showing you how it is easy it is. I've got a few question comes in messages and it says how we gonna do that. That's probably three different rollers. The third one you can't see it. That's the second one, pop it and probably slide it off and you get it out. And the reason is why I'm taking this roll is supposed to be that's gonna go to the rubbish. We don't need it. Okay, these two actually you don't need these two at all in the sharp to use it in anything else. But the third one, now I'm just unscrewing and I'm gonna get the third one. What it does, this roller actually, that machine, it's a color machine. If you take these rollers out, it actually you can't use it in a black and white machine. Okay, that's also it makes different. That's sometimes if it's a new machine and probably looks like the MP tray, they never use it. I call it MP tray. That's a multi-purpose tray, and that's the reason call it MP tray. And that's the way you get it out. It's so simple and easy. And if you guys have any question, and probably you can't see the rollers, a little bit smaller. That's the same like to the I think pickup rollers and exactly the same thing. If you guys have any questions in regard to these, doesn't matter any models, but as much as CR4 series